Hi friends, I just want to show you what is coming up next, February 1st, this video of these wonderful dangled hearts with the beads I've made, some hearts, little icons from a bracelet, and yeah, this is all stuff in my basket of stash that I use regularly to kind of use up. So I'm going to show you guys very soon how I've made these. I'm just going to go do a close-up of each of these to show you guys. So there is like salt water candy wrappers in there. This brown is a chocolate wrapper. So there's lots of different scraps pieces, and I will show you guys how I put it together. And yeah, so then you guys can put together your own with different fabrics. This one has fabric on it and threads, so different things. This one has a little piece of CD on there, so just little things to inspire you. Yeah, I hope you guys like it, and it'll be coming up. This video will be going on February 1st, so I'm just gonna grab one of these and show you. It dangles. It's really cute. There we go. So they're very, very nice little pieces. I think they all turned out really nice. And this is book paper, rolled and inked. I even varnished it. So that's each of them. In time for Valentine, and I think that they'll work really nice for some junk journal projects and maybe even cards and that kind of thing. I think that will be a really nice piece. Thanks everyone for watching.